Hello, good morning my dear students. Let's start our mathematics class. So now open your mathematics book, Grow with Composite Mathematics, Standard 3, page number 19. So today I will teach you place value and face value. So today we will learn place value and place value. So we know about place value and face value. Place value. A number gets its value when the digits are arranged in their correct places. The value of a digit depends on its place or position in the number. This value of the digits is called the place value. So what is the meaning of place value? Place value means value of a digit. Value of a digit according to its place or position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Okay, we take an example. You see example 3. Find the place value of the digits in 2495 or 2495. The place value of 5 in 2495. So place value of 5. So 5 is in the ones place. So the place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5 1. It is in words and it is in numeral. Okay, then the place value of 9. Place value of 9. So 9 is in the tens place. So place value of 9 is 9 tens in words or 90 in numeral. 9 tens means 90. The place value of 4. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 4 is in the hundreds place. So place value of 4 is 4 hundreds or 400. Okay. The place value of 2 is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So place value of 2 is 2000s or 2000. Okay. Now you see face value. The value of individual digit is its face value. So what is face value? Face value is value of individual digit is its face value. Face value of digit is the same as the digit itself, regardless of the place it occupies. For example, face value of 3 in 38. Face value of 3 in 38 is 3, and face value of 9 in 945 is 9. Okay. Next you see example 4. Find the place and face value of the digits in 6706. So first you see 6 is in the ones place, so its face value is 6 and place value is 6 ones or 6. Place value of 0 is 0 and its face value also 0. Place value of 7, ones, tens, hundreds. So place value of 7 is 700 or 700. Then 6. Face value of 6 is 6, but place value of 6 is 6000 or 6000. 6000. Okay. Now come to example 5. Find the difference of the place value of two fives in 8505 or 8505. So difference means here you have to subtract. Okay. So first you will write the place value of 25. So first 5 is in ones place. So place value of this first 5 is 5 ones or 5. Okay. Then the place value of second 5 is 100. The place value of second 5 is ones, tens, hundreds. So 5 is in the hundreds place. So its place value is 500. Okay. So now the difference between the place value of two fives is 500 minus 5 is equal to 495. So now come to page number 20, exercise 2.3. Question number 1. Write the face value, place and the place value of all the digits in the number 6035 or 6035. So digit 6035. So face value of 6 is 6. So 6 is in the which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here you will write thousands. Okay. Thousands place. Now here you will write place value in words. So place value of 6 in words, 6. Six thousands. And in numerals 6,000. Okay. So like that you fill this table. Now come to question number 2. Write the face value, place and the place value of the underlined digit in the number. So dear my students, here you will write face value, place and the place value of underlined digit. Okay. So let's we see one example, 2616. So here you have to write the face value of 6. So face value of 6 is 6 and 6 is in the hundreds place. So you will write hundreds. Then place value in words 600 and in numerals 600. So like that you fill this table. Question number 3. Encircle the correct number. So dear my students, here you see 7,908 ones. Here you see 8 ones. So 8 is in the ones place. So here you see 8 in the ones place. It is. So you circle this number. Then another one, 5,400. 3 tens, 7 ones. 7 ones. Here also 7 is in the ones place and here also. But in tens place 3. In tens place 3. But here 4. So correct number is 5437. Okay. So like that you will do question number 3. Next, 4. Find the sum of the place value of two sevens. So first, dear my students, you will write the place value of these 2 7. Then you add. Okay. Question number 5. If the place of a digit is 1000 and its face value is 6, find the place value of the digit. So place of digit is 1000. Okay. Place of a digit is 1000 and its face value is 6. So your answer is 6000. Okay. So place value of each digit is 6 thousands or 600 6,000. Okay. Then question number 6, find the difference of the place values of two 4s. So you will write these two 4s place value, then you subtract these two numbers. Okay, then you will get the difference of the place value of two 4s. Okay, thank you my dear students.